Imagine yourself traveling to Kenya, the Swahili land, where everybody speaks Swahili except you. And in the course of your travel, you need some Swahili to get to where you are going. And you are like, don't get stuck. Teacher Millie here got you covered. And that's exactly what we are going to learn today. Must know Swahili travel words. But before we get to it, if you have been here before, I love you so much. And if you are new here, tap this red subscribe button and join the classroom. So let's get to it. The first one, kusafiri. Kusafiri. That's traveling. Travel, safiri. Journey, safari. And then in your journey, you need a map, which is ramani. Map. This map is going to guide you. So a guide, we say mwelekezo, a guide. Another word you need to know is embassy, ubalozi for embassy. Then we get to ambassador, who is balozi for ambassador. But before you get into another country, you need permission. We say kibali. Then we have visa. In Swahili, we say visa. Passport. In Swahili, we say passporti. Immigration. Uhamiaji. An immigrant is mhamiaji. The border between one country and the other is called mpaka. Tutavuka mpaka. We shall cross the border. Country. We say nchi. Which country? Nchi gani? Someone might ask you, unenda nchi gani? Which country are you going to? Which country? Nchi gani? Then you respond, ninaenda Kenya. I am going to Kenya. Ninaenda Kenya. Visit is zuru. Nitazuru Kenya. I will visit Kenya. Nitazuru Kenya. Another word is head to. That one we say elekea. I'm heading to. Ninaelekea. I'm heading to Kenya. Ninaelekea Kenya. Reason, sababu. Reason, for example, reason for travel, sababu ya kusafiri is reason for travel. Another word you'll need to know is police. That one we say polisi, because you're going to meet some of them at the border. Mpakani, border place, mpakani. If you're learning something from this video, please don't hesitate to give it a like. Let's continue. Time is saa. Clock, we say saa. Hand clock, we say saa ya mkono. Hand clock. You will meet clearing agent. We say agenti wa kupitisha. Clearing in Swahili simply means safisha. So it's like clear. To clear, to make you clear. Safisha. Agenti wa kusafisha. Then we have transport, usafiri. Transport, usafiri. Airport, uwanja wa ndege. Uwanja wa ndege. Bus park, uwanja wa basi. Uwanja wa basi, for bus park. The bus is basi. Aeroplane is ndege. Ndege. The journey has started. Safari imeanza. Safari imeanza. Stopover. Stopover is mapumziko. Mapumziko. We have next destination. Destination is mwisho wa safari. Mwisho wa safari. If you haven't watched our previous videos, please make sure you click here or you click here, and that brings us to mwisho, which is the destination of this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Mwah.